Hello guys, so ang weekend, me and my husband visit a store and this is a vintage store. Laking gulat namin, there's so many vintage na jacket. When we check it, it's Carhartt Detroit jackets. As you can see, it's a really good quality pa. And ang mahal niyan sa Philippines, which is talagang my husband is really fan of Carhartt. Then while looking at the store, I saw some rework as well. The rework has a good kind of quality talaga. Ang ganda. It's a streetwear talaga that you can, very confident kang, ay, original, ganon. It's really good. No hesitation pag bumili ka dun. Which is so many talaga. And that one, my husband like it, but sabi niya, he needs to find a different one. Yan, itong Dungarees as well, meron sila. And so many Carhartt pants. Ang sobrang dami. My husband is really, it's his happy place na. And then, he took a while parang maghanap ng mga pants. Meron pa talagang mga used na siya. May mga pinta pa, as you can see, ganyan. Then, he checking each one of it. Yan, sobrang happy niya. Then, it took him a while maghanap kasi of course, pag bumili ka, gusto mo walang ganun, yan, maganda yan. Pero parang used na siya talaga. And then, yan yung binili ng husband ko, which is yung green. Kasi marami na siyang cargo pants, I think mga 5 pairs na. Then, I got only as well isa. Yan. So, yan yung binili namin. Ang ganda niya. You can use it like in a formal. Then, meron kami nakita. It's like parang fire resistant ba yan? Sabi ng husband ko yung yung tahi niya is like talagang manufacturer. So, it's ang ganda ng quality. Well, pag forma, it's okay. First time namin nakita na may tatak na FR. It's fire resistant, which is good quality. Ang ganda pa niya. And then ito, may nakita kaming black label na Levi's. Ang mahal din yan. And so many rework na mga bags, which is you will never see sa ibang store. Yan, makikita nyo, sobrang dami. Meron yung Harley Davidson, varsity jacket, mga hoodies na Carhartt. Ang sobrang dami mga branded dyan. So, it's a good place to go and to check kung fan ka ng mga ganitong vintage stuff. So, I think that's all for our vlog. Have a good day!